8 shilling, 1730 Norwegian mint mark. Get in. So live ammunition, old. It was ringing from 32 to 37. So not sure if you can see a date. I believe it's Norma 19. Oh shit, 1927. Can you see it? 19, almost 100-year-old. Shit. Okay, on to next. Oh shit. Next one is a tiny coin. So I wonder if this is a 1 shilling. If it's Norwegian 1 shilling, it could be quite valuable. So, oh, this is so fragile. Yeah, it's silver. Yeah, Christian, King Christian. Oh, I don't think I hit the spade with it, but maybe. $70. Look at this. Can you see the silver? Wow. Okay, on to the next. I have to check if there's more here. So, next find. It's a tiny iron shoe buckle. No, it's not iron. Is it? Well, the pin is iron. Or it was a mixed signal, so yeah, nice. Okay. Look at this beauty among trash. 8 shilling Norwegian from 1706. The legend is getting better and better. To explain, I've been over this place with my Deus 100 times. 100 times. And with the multi-frequency, it's a step in the right direction. No way to discredit XP Deus. It's the best single frequency detector in the world. Period. But multi-frequency can add some extra. Look at this. Wow. Oh my god. It's in mint condition. This is it's not been circulated. So okay. Wow. Get in.